Hello, good morning, everyone, and welcome to this morning's training session. Literally just woke up, and that's why my face looks a bit like I've just woken up. So, if you're wondering, um, basically, I just thought I'll take this quick trade. The reason of taking this trade is because I could see a Gatly pattern at the very initial stage of it. However, that Gatly pattern was didn't actually sort of take effect. However, in terms of support and resistance, I felt that there was a lot of resistance in this area here that could carry the market downwards, at least in the short term, on a short term basis. And so far, my prediction has been sort of accurate so far. As you can see, market is turning down, and I'm currently in profit. So I just thought I'll share that with you whilst this is going on. Um, Again, this has been a profitable trade. As you can see, let me remove this so I can redraw this again so that everyone can see. Let me remove this as well. So if I draw the initial impulse leg, which is this leg here, X to A, you see that this B section almost got to 618. So well above. Actually, maybe to be fair, this is probably more of a bat pattern. I can see where, because this candle here closed below the 50% retracement of um, of the whole entire move. So I think it's more of a bat pattern than a Gatly pattern, to be honest. Um, but let's say even it's a Gatly pattern. That's 618. So so the potential reversal zone is somewhere around here at the 786 retracement. However, price blew past the 786 retracement, but started tumbling down just around here. Now, so the Gatly pattern in a way is still valid because the 1.13 retracement has not been exceeded. But then again, if you look left, so if I go onto the maybe 1 hour time frame, uh, let's say 15 minutes time frame, you can see that around this area, especially here, uh, actually, it's still the 5 minutes time frame. So around this particular area, there was a resistance. So price hit this area, and it just tumbled down. And we're in that same area again here. Price didn't even get to it, but that same area, price went down. So that's why I've gone short. Um, what I think I'm gonna do now is um, I might close this trade in profit. Actually, rather than close it, move my profit loss down. Um, it looks as if this particular um, EMA is having a strong effect on price movement. So as soon as price hit it, it's gone back straight up. So that might be something to watch out for. I'll probably be stopped out in a minute from now. Maybe I should just wait. is a very sort of positive candle, um, which means that price might start to retrace up. Let me see what this is. So measure this impulse leg here in preparation for the next step. So okay. See if price can still carry on pushing down. Um, I'm just worried about this area here. That's the EMA is strong. Don't even know if this is. See if the bears can take control just temporarily, just to push down below this. It's temporary before it goes to straight. Sometimes it's good to be patient, and sometimes it's patience will lose you money. Sometimes. No, they say that you should let your profit run and close your losses straight away. But sometimes when I've allowed my profit to run, my profit turns into losses. That's one thing you always have to be careful about. And realize don't be greedy when it comes to trading. Don't be greedy. And look at the 1 minute chart and see what's there. Okay. Plan your trade and trade your plan. That's what they say. Okay, let me see. Let me see if the first profit target has been hit. The first profit target's normally, well, the first profit target has been hit, to be fair. Actually. I think market's trying to push through this EMA here. If it's able to do that, then let me see. Today. I think market's trying to push through this EMA here. Okay, so what have we got? This area is strong support, I think. Here we go. Again, here we go. Let's see if we're able to push through that. Okay, let's lock in some profit. So we're in the free trade now. So if I get stopped now, it's not a problem. I'm in the free trade. It'd be nice to see market continue downwards. So here, our profit target. I should mention that I am not a financial advisor. So if you're watching this, please do not follow my trade. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you do decide to trade, please carry out your own due diligence, because if you don't, you definitely lose money. And this is not gambling. This is a calculated. I don't know what you want to call it. My entries are calculated and measured, but even with that, there is no guarantee that I'm going to make any profit. Um, but yeah, so if you do decide to trade, please do it on your own accord and carry out your own due diligence, so that you don't lose money on the markets. Okay. Okay, so move the stop loss down a little bit more. And then I'll modify that as well. Okay, so far I've made a profit about, well, I haven't made it because it's not clear profit yet, unless I bring down my stop loss. So I think what price will probably come to this area again before it goes back up. So this is now a free trade. Probably going to be stopped at enemy from now. And look at the 1 minute chart. So what's this? Yeah. Okay, we're still sort of pushing down a little bit. What we possibly have here is that um, this is now our new resistance level here. This area here, I believe. So price might use that as a resistance to push down a little bit. So we're completely in the free trade now, as I said. So whatever happens, we've locked in our profit. And that's how, from experience, that's how you should trade. Because the way this market's moved, they can move against you very quickly. So if you've made some sort of profit, lock it in. Lock your profit in so that you don't lose money. Because it can go against you very quickly. Advice are easy to give, but sometimes I'll be honest with you, I don't follow my own advice. And when I don't do that, when I don't have a disciplined way of trading, that's when I lose money. But if I'm disciplined like I'm trying to be now, um, I'm normally profitable. But once I let my emotions take control, once I throw my discipline out of the window, then my losses are quite significant. But if I'm able to follow my own sort of discipline, my own plan, my percentages of profit taking is quite high, as I'm demonstrating now. Mainly because I'm applying the disciplined trading techniques. Um, One of the disciplined things I need to do is to put a stop loss in place, which is what I've done here. Also, manage my stop loss to take profit so that whatever happens in the market, I'm still in profit.
Stop filled.
So my stop has been filled. Again, that was another successful trade. So I'm quite happy with that. Quite happy with that, to be fair. In trading techniques. Um, One of the discipline things I need to do is to put a stop loss in place, which is what I've done here. Also, manage my stop loss to take profit so that whatever happens in the market, I'm still in profit.
Stop filled.
So my stop has been filled. Again, that was another successful trade.